And let's reorganize our pivot fields. So let me uncheck category. So if you uncheck anything from the list at the top, it disappears from the bottom area. And let's put the country back in the filter and the product back in the rows. So I have the country in the filter, product in the rows, nothing in the column. So I get this whole thing back the way it is right now. Okay. The next thing I want to show you is how you can group things together. For example, if I want to put apples and banana in one group and the rest of them in another group, and I want to display group level values, I can do that too. This is basically called the, subgrouping the main items. So let's select apple and banana. Okay, select apple and banana. Right click and choose group. So apple and banana automatically goes in one group. All the other items are grouped by themselves. Each individual item is a group. So what we will do is we will select all the remaining items. We will right click and we'll choose group again. So all those items will then be grouped in a separate group called group 2. So this is the group 1 total and that's a group 2 total. Now to ungroup, you can simply select and ungroup, and everything will be ungrouped. So I selected everybody, I right click and ungroup, and everything is ungrouped.